Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Wilsons.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Miss Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay. And your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
Yes,
Thank you. Go ahead.
As I was saying, I'm already receiving child support, yes, but I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
And how much are you receiving at this time?
$1,500 a month.
$1,500 a month, okay. And you believe that you're warranted an increase? Like, did he come into some money that you know about?
As a matter of fact, he did.
Okay, how do you know?
His secretary kind of told me.
His secretary told you?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of the most intense child support battles you'll ever see. Miss Wilson is pushing for higher support, and Mr. Wilson, let's just say he's not thrilled. With a secret income, a loose-lipped secretary, and a judge with zero tolerance for nonsense, this courtroom drama is full of sharp turns and shocking truths.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Sounds like you need a new secretary. She's just telling your ex-wife all of your business?
I don't know what she's talking about.
It's his ex-lover.
Ex-lover, okay. We're not gonna get into all of that. That has nothing to do with this court.
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, no, I don't need you to thank me, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go. What is she talking about?
Well, I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Yes, Your
I don't
Honor.
need all the extra.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
Now we're getting.
Here comes the million-dollar question. Or rather, $3 million. Miss Wilson isn't just guessing, she's got hard proof, thanks to a slip-up from Mr. Wilson's secretary. Her case is stronger than ever, but the real show, Mr. Wilson's reaction. This is where everything heats up. Keep watching because it's about to get intense real fast.
You received
Well,
50?
I didn't receive $50,000. $50,000.
Did you come in my courtroom to play games? I'm really
you're-
not here to play games with you.
No.
He does that a lot.
Your Honor, she's
Listen,
talking when I'm talking.
And I'll get to her in just a minute. Ma'am, I'll need you to save your comments until I return to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Now you stop wasting my time. You received $50,000, correct?
No.
Okay, so tell me what's up with the $50,000?
Well, the partnership paid a debt of mine in the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income, right? For
No,
purposes
Your
of
Honor.
calculating your child support.
But I didn't even receive. It didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. It's under Texas law. I could deem that $50,000 as income, although it's not income producing. What else? Where else you work?
Well, I'm an attorney,
Okay. What type of law do you practice?
criminal law.
Criminal law. All right. How much money you make there?
Well, it ebbs and flows.
Well, answer the question, Mr. Wilson.
The classic, I didn't receive the money excuse. Nice try. But courts don't care if it landed in your personal account or not. It still counts as income. And by the judge's face, she's not buying it one bit. Mr. Wilson is about to learn the law the hard way. Reality check loading in 3, 2, 1.
I make about 80. I bring home about 80,000.
All right. Let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay, so let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000, that was the distribution, right? That's your testimony, right?
That
Your
went to
tax
the
returns
IRS.
are correct, right?
Well,
They
Are your tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
According to my
yes or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay.
I
So,
didn't prepare.
according to that, I have your off doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200. Excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So that gross is $6,000, which brings that net to $4,779.38. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$161.
$161. Let me just make sure. Is that what you're looking at in front of you? Okay, I'm just making sure. I have your document here. $161. You're going to be responsible for reimbursing that to her.
Thank you.
Yes, so.
Well, you don't have to thank me. I didn't do you a favor. That's just what the law says. Okay? So, adding your two net resources together, I have $8,289.96. Reimbursement for the health insurance, prior to adding the reimbursement, comes out to $2,072.50. Reimbursement of $161 gets you to $2,233.50 because your income did increase from the time that you all got a divorce.
Can I say something?
Can you ask me the question without wasting my time?
Numbers don't lie, but people sure try. Mr. Wilson says he made $83,000, but his tax return says otherwise. And in court, you'd better make your documents match your story. The judge is doing quick math and it's not looking good. Will Mr. Wilson come clean or dig himself deeper? The truth is closing in fast.
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra
That-
money just
no.
go to these trips. I really don't think it's going to go
Look,
to
wait,
anything
wait,
related.
That is not true.
Excuse me?
That is not true.
Excuse me?
You need to stop it.
Excuse me,
I can
both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram,
to
it's
stop
fake.
it. Excuse me. When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we got
Listen
divorced
to
'cause he
this.
cheated.
No, let me tell you about this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her Instagram. All I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of according to the documents that your CPA produced. Your income went up, therefore your children are entitled to an increase. So final child support amount $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
No, ma'am, that'd be great.
Thank you. Anything further, Mr. Wilson?
I guess not, Your Honor.
Well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Boom. $2,350 in monthly child support. Ruled. The judge isn't here for drama, only fairness. Mr. Wilson's face says it all. He didn't see it coming. But that's what happens when you play games in court. From secret earnings to Instagram accusations. This case had it all. Was the ruling fair? Let us know in the comments below.